Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jibril for the SPX Ninja. Today is Monday, May 21st, and we are looking at the S&P 500 futures to see what will transpire next. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the bigger picture here. So again, we have broken out of this triangle that was forming for over about almost 4 months. We had a strong impulsive move up out of that, so it does look like a wave one, and we'll continue to assume that it is. Since then, we were looking for a wave two. We have turned downwards towards a wave two, and now we've been in choppy action since that first drop after wave one. So as you all know, the corrections are usually in an ABC down. So A is clear. A is also impulsive, and C is impulsive, just so you guys know. So A is clearly down. And then we have this choppy action, which is still continuing, which is forming a B. And it's still within this channel, and it still looks choppy. So while that's the case, I will assume that it is a correction and not the start of a new impulse. And then when it turns back down, we should get another pullback similar to this wave A, either equal length or slightly longer. That goes probably, I'm going to guess at this point, is going to go to the 2681 level, which we had trouble getting above before, and now it should act as support. Let me change that color to green. Yeah, actually, all of these are now support. So, okay. So yeah, these are potential support levels on the way back down. And once we complete this, and it could also be something called a flat. The ABC doesn't have to be in this form, which I'm making right now, which is a zigzag. It could potentially come all the way up to the high of 2741, and then pull back to all the way to the low of wave A, which would be 2700, and that would be the ABC in that direction. So again, it's always difficult to figure out what the correction is going to look like. But at this moment, I am assuming that it will look like a zigzag. So if that's the case, we should see probably another touch of the channel here, which might be around slightly higher than what overnight highs were, and then a turn back down to wave two. So that's what I'm expecting over the next day or two or so. How long did this take? 14th to 21st. Actually, it took a week almost. So yeah, it might take half a week or so to complete this, and then we should expect the wave three to start. Now again, it could have been that this form here somehow, although looks incomplete, could have been the complete wave two correction. If that's the case, then a wave three would have started by now, and we'll figure that out if it breaks through this channel upwards. But until it does, we will assume that this is a correction, and this is the likely path of it that I have drawn on this chart right now. All right, that's what I have for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, I'm going to be over this past weekend, I did some work looking at some individual stocks. I have been giving out, I think I gave out BA Boeing for at a swing trade a while ago. It's doing pretty well, and I'm going to start doing a little bit more of that going forward as well. So I'm probably going to talk about them on this video as well, and I'll give out those signals on Twitter and stock tweets, etc. All right, guys. So I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good day trading.